Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Uphold to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move funds for trading, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. By the end, you'll feel confident handling this transfer on your own. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an active Uphold account with Litecoin in it, a verified KuCoin account, and the exact Litecoin wallet address from KuCoin. Double-check that your accounts are secure with two-factor authentication enabled to avoid any risks. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your Litecoin balance. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw, or Send option. Select Litecoin as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address, that's the one from your KuCoin account. Make sure to copy it accurately to prevent any errors. Step 3. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose an amount that makes sense for your budget. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. Uphold will process it, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Step 4. Now, switch to your KuCoin account. Go to the Assets, or Deposit section and check for incoming Litecoin. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick tip. Always verify wallet addresses and use the correct network, like Litecoin's own blockchain, to avoid lost funds. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated on any new rules. There you have it. That's how to withdraw Litecoin from Uphold to KuCoin. It's simpler than it sounds, and with these steps, you can do it anytime. If you run into issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.